Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shelly. Today we need to talk about one of the hottest and most controversial names in the AI stock market. That's Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR. The stock just took a huge hit, dropping close to 10% in a single session. If you're holding PLTR or even just watching the AI boom, you probably want to know what on earth just happened. Let's break this down step by step. Section 1. The trigger. So what caused the sell-off? It all started with a short report from Citron Research, led by Andrew Luft, one of the most well-known short sellers on Wall Street. They basically argued that Palantir's valuation has gotten completely out of control. And here's the kicker. They used OpenAI as the benchmark. According to Citron, OpenAI is worth about $500 billion, with projected revenue of nearly $30 billion by 2026. That gives OpenAI a price to sales multiple in the high teens. Now compare that with Palantir. Analysts expect Palantir to generate about $5 to $6 billion revenue in 2026. If you apply the same multiple, you get a stock price of around $40. That's a massive drop from where it trades today. And Citron said, even at $40, it would still be expensive. Naturally, the market freaked out. Traders took profits, algorithms reacted, and boom, we got a sharp sell-off. But let's zoom out. Why is Citron making this call? They pointed to three big differences between OpenAI and Palantir. Number 1, growth speed. OpenAI is growing at a lightning speed. Palantir is growing, yes, but much slower. Number 2, business model. OpenAI is classic SaaS, easy subscriptions, massive scale, but Palantir relies heavily on big, complex government contracts, which are slower and harder to expand. Number 3, market size. OpenAI's addressable market is literally everyone, consumers, enterprises, and developers, etc. But Palantir's TAM is narrower, mostly defenses and enterprise contracts. So the argument is simple. Palantir's story can't justify the same premium multiple as the Messi of AI. That's OpenAI. And then there's competition. Citron specifically called out Databricks as a major threat. Unlike Palantir, which often looks more like consulting wrapped in software, Databricks delivers pure software economics. That's something Wall Street loves. So the bear case is this. Palantir faces slower growth, tougher competition, and an inflated valuation. Add it all up and you get today's downside move. But wait, does that mean Palantir is doomed? Absolutely not. Let's talk about the other side of the debate, because there are strong counterarguments actually. First, Palantir is one of the only profitable AI software companies. OpenAI, Anthropic, even xAI, they're not profitable. Palantir is. That really matters. Second, fundamentals are actually improving. They just had their first billion-dollar quarter. Commercial revenue in the US is accelerating, and they landed huge deals like the US Army's multi-billion agreement. Third, stickiness. Once customers adopt Palantir, they rarely leave. Their systems are embedded deep into operations, whether it's defense, healthcare, or energy. That customer retention is a moat. So while the valuation looks extreme, the business itself is far from weak. Here's the truth. Both sides are right in a way. Yes, Palantir's valuation is sky high and multiple compression is a real risk. If AI hype falls down, PLTR could see more pain. That's exactly what Citron's betting on. But at the same time, Palantir's in a unique position. It's profitable, it's mission critical, and it's building what many call the operating system for AI. That's why some bulls still see these as a $500 billion or even trillion-dollar company long term. So what do we do with all this? If you're a trader, you need to respect the short-term risk. If you're a long-term investor, you focus on execution, contracts, and profitability. But here's a bigger question I want to throw to you. Number 1, do you believe Palantir deserves to be valued anywhere near OpenAI? Number 2, or is this just another overhyped AI stock waiting for a painful correction? So drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll be reading every single one. If you found this breakdown useful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep growing this community. Thanks for watching. I'm Shelly, and I'll see you in next one.